Welcome to Safetec of America's product demonstration videos. My name is Joe Vizzi, Safetec's National Sales Manager. And today I will be demonstrating our Universal Precautions Kit, product numbers 17100 and 17102. This kit provides personal protection equipment and cleanup components for use during blood and bodily fluid spills. This kit helps you stay within OSHA guidelines and helps prevent exposure. There are three key components. We have our Red Z solidifier, we have our Sanizide germicidal wipe, and we have our Pause antimicrobial hand wipe.
The Universal Precaution Kit contains 11 items. Number 1, a pair of vinyl gloves. Number 2, a protective apron. Number 3, combo mask and safety shield. Number 4, Red Z solidifier. Number 5, scoop and scraper. Number 6, Sanizide Plus germicidal wipe. Number 7, red biohazard bag. Number 8, twist tie. Number 9, Pause antimicrobial hand wipe. Number 10, identification tag. And number 11, a copy of these instructions.
Now we will begin the kit demonstration. Number 1, put on in this exact order.
A, your protective apron. B, your safety shield and mask. And C, your rubber gloves. Number 2, cut the tip of the Red Z and sprinkle over the spill. Allow for the spill to congeal. Number 3, remove gelled material with scoop and scraper. Carefully place in red biohazard bag. Number 4, use Sanizide Plus germicidal wipe to clean contaminated surface. Number 5, after procedure is complete, place all contaminated materials in red biohazard bag. Remove in this exact order. A, your rubber gloves. B, your safety mask and shield. And C, your apron. Number 6, fill out identification tag and attach to sealed bag with twist tie.
Now dispose of the bag as required by your local, state, and federal regulations. Number 7, wipe your hands with Safetec's Pause antimicrobial wipes. Number 8, lastly, wash your hands with soap and water as soon as possible.
All of our biohazard spill kits follow the same directions as the Universal Precautions Kit. Please take a moment to review the differences between our 3 biohazard kits and choose which is most appropriate for your company. Now in the Easy Cleans Plus Kit, product number 17121, we include a pair of vinyl gloves, a Red Z solidifier, a scoop and scraper, a Sanizide Plus germicidal wipe, a red biohazard waste bag, a twist tie, Pause antimicrobial hand wipe, a paper towel, and instructions. Now in the National Standard Easy Cleans Kit, product number 25000, we include a pair of vinyl gloves, an odor mask, Red Z solidifier, a scoop and scraper, Sanizide Plus germicidal wipe, a red biohazard waste bag, 2 twist ties, 2 Pause antimicrobial hand wipes, a white disposal bag, and instructions. Contact Safetec for these and other infection control and first aid products by visiting safetec.com or calling toll-free 1-800-456-7077.